Hello, my name is Dr. Mel Burchman, and I love treating the medically compromised patient. This is my passion and my love, and some of the best things I have done in 45 years of being a dentist. Using lasers has allowed me to continue to treat many of my long-term patients as they have gotten older and their health has declined. Dr. Gerry Ross, Dr. Arun Darbar, and myself will be leading an 8-hour comprehensive course in laser photobiomodulation, PBM, on Saturday, February 13th on the Dental CE Academy. Learning the science behind photobiomodulation will allow you to incorporate many of these techniques into your practice immediately. You'll be amazed how good that will make you and your patients feel.